Have you been at it on YouTube for a while, but are your videos not gathering the amount of views that you would like? Or are you just getting started and you want to get started the right way? Then this video is definitely for you. Today, we're taking a look at how you can leverage YouTube tags to make sure that your videos rank higher in the YouTube search results. So let's get started. Hi and welcome back to the Unbound Creative Agency channel. If you're new here, my name is Yoka. I'm the founder of Unbound, and over here at Unbound we help realtors and mortgage professionals launch and scale on YouTube with organic content, so no paid ads, so that you can attract leads instead of having to chase them. If that's something that interests you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get updates on future videos. We upload videos every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel. So in today's video, we're taking a look at how you can leverage YouTube tags to rank higher in the YouTube search results, because that is the ultimate goal for your videos, to rank in those search results so that people who don't know about you yet find your videos in an organic way whenever they're searching for something that is relevant to your area of expertise or market. So first things first, let's cover our basics. What are YouTube tags? Exactly what should you understand under YouTube tags? So basically, YouTube is a search engine, just as Google. Whenever we go to YouTube, we type something in the search box, whether that's a question or a topic that we want to see content on. And then YouTube returns to us the videos that they think are most relevant to our search. Now, how does YouTube do that? How does YouTube know what videos they should show you? How do they know what topic that video covers? So there are multiple ways that YouTube figures this out. YouTube is an algorithm machine, and there are multiple ways that this algorithm figures out what your video is actually about. So you have the title. Also, if your video is in English, YouTube will automatically transcribe that video, and based on the text that they get from that, they will pull the data from that transcription and figure out what your video is about, the description that you use on your video. But also there is a way to add tags to your video. These tags are your way of telling YouTube what your video is about. But how do you know what words, what keywords, key phrases you need to use as your tags? So that's what I'm going to show you as well today, how you can use a tool called TubeBuddy to figure out what tags are best for you and your channel and your videos to use so that you can rank higher in the search results. So let's head over to my own YouTube channel so I can show you how that works. All right, so currently I am in what we at the agency call an SEO brief for a YouTube video. So this contains the live date, which at the moment we set to be determined, the video file name, thumbnail file name, the actual video title, the tags, which we're going to be working on, and the description for this video. So I will record another video that shows you how to optimize the entire video on YouTube. For today, we're going to focus on how we can come up with our tags, and then also how, based on those tags, we're going to write the description. So this video that I am going to be scheduling is going to be about camera confidence for realtors. And so as I explained, you tell YouTube what your video is about based on different elements, but tags are a big part of that. So we can use the tags to tell YouTube what our video is about. You get 400 characters to do that. So you want to make sure that you use them wisely. You're gonna need two tools to do so, and that's TubeBuddy and Keywords Everywhere. So first off, I'm going to say what I already did was research my keywords, research my title. So I know that my main keyword is camera confidence. So we're going to put that in the tags. And then to create a new tag, you add a comma and then camera confidence for realtors is my long-term keyword. And then I know a variation of that will be camera confidence for real estate agents. All right, so that's already 3 ways of me telling YouTube, hey, this video is about camera confidence. I have seen people write their tags without doing any extra research. Sometimes that works when you get lucky. What I like to do, however, is that I want to see if there's actual search volume for the tags that I'm using, because you have to sort of see a tag as a whole new opportunity to reach people researching that specific keyword. So for example, we're going to go to YouTube, and if we type YouTube confidence, there we go. And we can see here at the top, and this is keywords everywhere that you would be using. I'll show you that. Keywords everywhere. There we go. This is the browser extension that you would be using. You can install it for Chrome, and then you just basically buy a $10 credit. It lasts you a long, long time. And then what it does is that when you search for things on YouTube or Google, it will show you how many people a month are actively typing that exact keyword into the YouTube search bar. So here I can see it has 590 searches a month. For me, that's enough of a reason to include it as a tag, because I know that camera confidence for realtors is my main keyword. But if you do want to go and check whether you would be able to actually rank for that, there we go. The likelihood of us ranking for YouTube confidence is relatively low because of the amount of videos that have already been made for that specific keyword. But I'm still going to include it as it is not my main keyword that I am using. So we're going to say YouTube confidence. So I would say for your main keyword and your title, it's important to compare search volume versus search competition or competition in the search pool. When it comes to tags, if there is decent amount of search volume for a certain keyword, I would say just include it aside from your main keyword, of course. So we'll use YouTube confidence, and then we'll just sort of keep looking. Confidence on camera has 170 searches a month, so let's include that as well. On camera. And then we can keep going with this. What I would always advise you to do is include your channel name or your own name in the tags. So I'm going to include my own name so that whenever someone searches for me specifically, this video will also pop up. I'm going to include the agency name. And then I'm going to use some more general tags that describe the content on our channel. So for example, we talk about YouTube for Realtors. And here, I'm going to leave it like this. This is a good thing. You can already see that I could use YouTube for real estate agents, YouTube for realtors, but also YouTube for real estate. Like there's 3 variations of the same keyword, but I want to remind you, it is not the same keyword. Some people will type real estate agents. Some people will type YouTube for realtors. Some people will type YouTube for real estate. So you have to include all these different variations to make sure that whoever types it will find your video. So let's include those 3. So that was YouTube for realtors, YouTube for real estate agents, YouTube for real estate. All right. And then just to be sure, I'm going to check how many characters I already have. I think we still have a couple. I'm going to click word count. So now we're up to 253 characters, and in total we can use 400. So let's keep going. Some other things that we could use is video marketing, because basically that's what YouTube is, video marketing for realtors. So let's check that one. There we go. Video marketing for real estate agents, video marketing for real estate. Video marketing for realtors has a little bit of a too low a search volume for me, but I will include video marketing for real estate agents and video marketing for real estate. Agents, video marketing for real estate. What else? So we had YouTube. Maybe we include real estate YouTube channel. All right. Real estate YouTube channel. We can use that one. Channel. Blogging for realtors. I was trying to see if real estate vlogging for realtors had enough search volume, because if that's the case, realtors who are hoping to vlog might also be interested in being more confident on camera. So let's leave it at that. Then I want to show you something else. If we go here, I'm going to go to Vanessa Lau. I'm pretty sure she has optimized her videos. So let's turn this off. And what you can use TubeBuddy for as well is that you go down and TubeBuddy will show you the tags that she is using. So she has look natural on video. I'm just writing a couple of these down so that we can then see if they actually have search volume. Because like I said, a lot of people fill this without checking the search volume, and then you're sort of at times wasting character space. Video confidence tips might be something as well. Also considering that we don't have that much space left, that many characters left. Just gonna do this to show the search rankings, how to look natural on camera. Okay, let's first see if look natural on the video has any search volume. No. Video confidence might have. Video confidence in itself has decent search volume. The tips does not have any search volume. So I'm just going to add video confidence to my tags. And then I'm going to check again. Tools, word count. And we're at 372. All right, I'm going to leave it at that, seeing as we only have 400 characters. So there we go. So that's sort of how you do your research for your tags. Then based on those tags, I'm going to write my description. So what you want to do is the first part of your description, you don't want to stuff it with keywords, but you want to use your keywords as organic a way possible, so that again you're telling YouTube in your description what your video is going to be about. The descriptions that we are writing for the agency seem relatively short. That is because in the back end of your channel there's a way to automate the bottom settings of your video description. So we automate the bottom part, which will have links to different videos, links to equipment, and it will be the same underneath every video. And then just the top part is the one that we schedule differently for each video topic. So let's go. Camera confidence for realtors. Are you having trouble being confident on camera? Confident on camera is one of our tags here. It's here. Confident on camera. And would you like some tips to increase your video confidence another keyword, then you've come to the right place. On this channel, we discuss all things YouTube for realtors, video marketing for real estate, and how to succeed in launching and growing a real estate YouTube channel. As you can see, like, I'm slowly integrating these tags, right? So YouTube for realtors is a tag, video marketing for real estate YouTube channel. All of these things are the tags that we've used, and now I'm using them in a more organic way in the description. In this channel, we discuss all things YouTube for realtors, video marketing for real estate, and how to succeed in launching and growing a real estate YouTube channel. Today, we're tackling camera confidence for real estate agents. Enjoy. There we go. And that's just the top part of our description. And as I said, the bottom part will be programmed in the settings of your channel. And that's it for the tags. The next video will be on how you can now use all of this and actually upload and optimize your video on YouTube. So next week, I will also upload a video that explains how you can optimize your video for the YouTube search results further, because tags is only one component of that optimization process. So make sure that you look out for that video as well. If you are wondering how we can help you do all of this so that you don't have to do it yourself, there is a link in the description below to book a call with someone on our team, and they will gladly talk you through what our agency program can do for you. In the meantime, make sure to check out these videos over here, and then I will see you next week.